In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Chroma key for green screen in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So I have my sample green screen footage right here. Now, what I want to do is that I simply need to select the clip right here on the timeline. Now you want to click here on Edit, and then this window would pop up right here, or this options, and what you want right here is the Chroma key, which is this one. So click on it. And now from here is that you would want to go here under Chroma key. You want to click on the eyedropper tool and click on the green part of your video or the green screen. And then you'd now be able to see it removed, but still there are some green residuals on the outline of our subject. So we would want to remove that, right? So what we were going to do is that we want to go here into Chroma key. And from here, we want to increase the value of the color range. Just like that. As you can see, it's increasing, and also the green residuals in here are being removed right there, and that's what we want. And we would want it to be as clean as possible, so let's increase it even more. And just like that, I think I'm satisfied. And next is that you want to click here on OK, and it will now be saved, and you'll now be able to see that the green screen is now removed. And now to test it out is that we can go here and upload a new background in there. So I'm going to go here into my media and upload something, let's say this one, and upload it right here. And then you'd now be able to see that the background is now removed, which is the green screen, and that's how you easily do it here in PowerDirector. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.